Hello everyone, let's talk about this question today. Today we have a slightly more intuitive question. It's called soft drinking. It says a winter is so cold in a place which I don't want to pronounce to butcher its name. A group of N friends decided to buy K bottles of soft drink called Take It Light, Warm It Up. Each bottle has L milliliters of the drink and they bought C limes and cut them into D slices. After that they found P grams of salt. To make a toast, each friend needs NL mLs to drink, a slice of lime, and NP grams of salt. The friends want to make as many toasts as they can, provided they all drink the same amount. How many toasts can each friend make? You can see that all we have to do in this question is to consider all of these values, find the total values, and after that, find the minimum of these values. So if it needs NL mLs to drink, we need to figure out if drink itself is the limiting factor, if the slice of lime is the limiting factor, or the grams of salt is the limiting factor, for which we will use a min or minimum operation. But that's about it. We probably don't need to go into too much more detail. I will explain more as I write the code. We're set that our inputs are NK, L, CD, P, NL, and NP, all of the variables that we talked about up here. Not exceeding 1,000 and no less than 1, so makes sense. The numbers are separated by exactly one space. Our output should be a single number, which will be the number of toast each friend can make. Let's start off with my template here. We will input N, K, L, C, D, P, N, L, N, P, and then we will Cn all of them. Once we've done that, we will count how many milliliters of drink there is, which I will call total drink ml, which will be K, which is the number of bottles they bought, multiplied by L, which is the quantity of drink each bottle has. So K times L. Next, we will find how many drinks they can actually make, or how many toasts they can make, which we can just say total drinks is equal to total drinks in milliliters that we had, divided by N, I would say NL, which was the milliliters of drink each toast needs or each friend needs to make a drink. So NL, not null pointer, just NL. Once that is done, we will count our lime slices. Total slices would be C times D, C being the number of limes they bought, and D being the number of slices they cut each lime. Since each drink needs one lime, that is basically it. Next, we'll say our integer total salt needed for each drink will be equal to, or the amount of salt that we have will be P divided by NP. P is the total salt we have and NP is the salt each drink takes. So all we have done in this part is figure out how many one drink worth of products we have. So how many drinks can we make by this, how many slices or how many drinks can we make by these slices, or how many drinks we can make with this amount of salt. Once we've done all of that, our next job is to simply say min drinks and find the minimum of all of these values. So total drinks, minimum of total slices, and total salt. Oh, one thing I forgot to include here is a floor operation here, just to make sure that we're not over counting the number of drinks we can make. After this, we will simply see out our minimum drinks divided by n, and that is our answer. Let me know if you can find a more interesting way to solve this. This is obviously the easiest way to do it, but that is it for this question. You can copy this code and it'll work on Codeforces. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.